here. All right, start opening them.
All right, all these stocking stuff is from Daddy. He picked out this stuff for y'all all by himself. Like I said, Daddy picked out this stuff all by himself.
Let's show the Christmas camera here.
Strawberry shirt is my favorite. Let me see what this is. I think there's a glue stick.
Hey, Luther, you can wear that with your pants. I made you.
Sure could.
Calvin
has to eat.
Oh, look at that! Look at the Christmas
Here, Calvin, here's your
and
treats.
Anna M's.
Calvin didn't make it very far. He just got to the treats.
A ring pop. Calvin's just eating his M&Ms.
What is this?
He takes this stuff on stage. Yep, it says Smash on it, like Hulk Smash. You gotta keep getting it out, Pearl. There's something in there. Here, let me help you. Is it hard to get out?
There's some squishy. Oh, I found it.
Let's see if we can get it all the way out. I don't want you to break it.
Yay!
A new purse.
Hey, I got something here. Hey, what? A squishy monster that glows. Hey, no, squishy monster. Hey, I got one too. Squishy monster.
Calvin, what'd you get? Treats? You better save some for when you go to the potty.
It's another ring pop.
I think you got it all. Looks pretty flat. What do y'all tell Daddy? Did he do a good job?
Merry Christmas. Calvin's still working on his. He hasn't gotten very far.
Calvin, what's in your stocking? He looks like he's going into like a sugar coma over here.
Well, I got the peanut M&Ms, so those are pretty healthy now. So.
Calvin, don't wipe your dirty fingers on your new pajamas.
Hope you got that on video.